Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Moto G62 5G to an Android device. You need to start by accessing Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, hit open. Now, in order for it to work properly, you need to choose wherever you wish to in notifications pop up, and then tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. In this pop-up, select Not Now if you wish to and close it by choosing OK. Then choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Motorola smartphone. Now click on Receive on an Android. And finally, tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories. This way you will choose all of them and transfer them later on. It will take a long time to do it right now though, so I will go with only one photo. For example, this one. Choose Send and tap on Got it. Now on an Android, do whatever you wish to. I will go with No Thanks and click on Close this window. Finally, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon here, selecting while using or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and connect using Receive button. As you can see now, after a while, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!